Hi, this video shows you a website that I created for my final EdTech 523 project. It is a collaborative inquiry website created for science teachers who are looking to incorporate both the next generation science standards in with either blended or online learning. The website was created using BuddyPress, which is kind of a cousin to WordPress, but it allows, it's made more for social networks. So instead of just being a blog where one person is kind of maintaining and writing it, it's meant to create a sort of social network for a particular group of people. And in this case, for science teachers who are looking for information not only about the next generation science standards, but also how they might incorporate that into blended or online learning. The BuddyPress website was a pay-for service, and after maintaining it for about a year after the project, I decided to go ahead and take it down. So I made a video of the website showing the major components to document what I had created for my final project. Even though the site isn't working or live anymore, I learned very valuable lessons from this experience of creating an online community, a place where people can come to share resources and ask questions, and that particular skill, I think, can be used in many ways as I go forth in the future. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you the major portions of the website that I created. So this is the site I created called Blended Science, and the first page is just a home page with an introductory video that I created, and I'll have a link to that as well. The second page is just recent posts of the site itself, kind of like a blog page. The third section talks about the next generation science standards, so this is just an intro to that with an embedded video from their website. And then this next page is a list of resources that I compiled for the next generation science standards. The next section discusses blended learning, so this is just an intro on what blended learning is in general. And then the next page had resources for blended learning and also resources for incorporating blended learning in a science classroom or for a science class. The next section discussed online learning, so there was an intro to that. And then again, a set of resources for teaching science online specifically. And then finally, the last section had the social piece. This is where they could become members of the site and then join the community and be able to communicate with other science members that way. So anyway, that was my website that I created. I enjoyed doing it. It was a great exercise in developing a social online collaborative site, and even though the website is no longer live, I know that because I went through that process, I would be able to recreate something similar in the future.